To change the attributes of all internal elements of a piece or multiple pieces, click the Global Set Internals tool. First, select which pieces the changes will apply to. All pieces applies the changes to all pieces in the marker file. If there are multiple styles in the same marker file, selected style only applies the changes to pieces only in the selected style. All sizes of selected applies the changes to all sizes of the selected piece only. Selected pieces only applies the changes to the selected piece in the selected size only. Next, select which type of internal to edit: notches, buttons, dart pivot points, contours and lines, circles, or text. The system displays available attribute options for the selected internal type. Let's change all the notches in this style to cut V notches. Tick on Set to edit the size of the notches, including the depth, width, top width or double notches distance, or set the notch angle. In the current section, select the original attributes of the internals to change. By default, all notches will be changed, but you can choose to change only notches of a certain mode, type, or cut order. In the New section, select the new notch attributes. In this case, we'll select Cut Mode, V-Type, and change the cut order to cut with the contour. Click Apply, and all notches in the style have been converted to cut V notches that will be cut with the contour for production. You can also use the Global Set Internals tool to delete all the notches, or any other type of internal. Just as before, select the type of internal, then choose whether to delete all, or only those of a certain mode, type, or cut order, then click Delete.